2 of this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put the oil filter on properly and show you how to put the oil back in the engine on this 25.0 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, the twin. 724 cc's. So what I do is I take my finger and put oil around the seal so it seals properly and so it doesn't fall off. Here's how we do this. Stick it in there, make sure it lines up. Screw it in. Not too tight, because you don't want to over tighten it. That pretty good? That's good. We don't want to over tighten it because you might strip the seal or something, or take the seal off. Move this out of the way. I always let the oil cool off before I put it in the container because it gets hot. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to dump oil in here. Now, like I said, I use Napa CAE 10W30 motor oil. That's full synthetic. So what I do is I take two full quarts. Now, I know how much this takes. This takes 2 quarts of oil. You don't put any more in it after 2 quarts because it's full after 2 quarts. So I just take the oil and I just dump it, 1 quart in. Take it and just dump the whole thing in. And just to be on the safe range, you don't want to start it. Because like I said, you'll seize up the engine if there's not enough oil in it. I just let it sit there and drain without making a mess. So you get it all out, let it drip in. Shake it a little bit. And that's 1 quart. Now this isn't like a regular lawnmower where it has to take like about 20 quarts of oil. But I'll show you guys in another video how to change the oil on a lawnmower. That's real simple too. And see, I didn't know how to change oil until my buddy taught me how, and his brother's helping me film this video because I needed help. So I'm kind of doing the best I can to show you guys how to do this the proper way. Now, the reason why I took the key out of it is you don't want to start it because, like I said, you'll seize up the engine, and I don't think you want to do that. So I just dump Another quart in. And then dump all of it in. Dump it all in. You drain the oil when it's hot because it's easier. It comes out easier. Put the dipstick in. Put the dipstick back in. Check it. Make sure there's enough in it. Let it settle for a minute. Now see, I suggest that you guys just like wipe the dipstick off when you're checking it, because if you check it the first time, it doesn't really do any good. But I just take it out, re-dip it in there. I guess that's why they call it a dipstick, because you put it back in the crankcase. And it looks like we're good. We got up to the arrow. But of course, I'm going to check it again tomorrow morning to make sure it's where it's supposed to be after it cools. And there's my dessert.